Hi, I'm Carolyn Johnson of Iron Cross Training and Fitness, or some of you may know me better as C. Ray Johnson, author. I would like to thank Matt Dahl of the Sanddune, and I am here today to show you briefly what a fantastic tool this is, not only in the fitness industry, but in the therapy industry as well. Recovery from injuries, anybody dealing with balance issues, Parkinson's, proprioception issues. I've suffered a brain injury myself 3.5 years ago, and I still suffer from proprioception difficulties, challenges, especially in the car, as well as balance issues. And this little device here, what it does is it helps you relate to where you are in time and space in your environment, in your world. And it's best to use this with your bare feet because you have little sensors within your peripheral nervous system relating to your brain where you are at in time and space. And a lot of times balance issues and proprioception problems come along because the connections are severed due to a brain injury. So what this does is just offer a nice low impact sensation, and it's almost like a memory type foam and maybe mimics walking on the sand on the beach, but more so because it comes back at your feet. The sensors on your feet will also act like a neurofeedback to your brain and help remake those connections that are lost. And what you could do a lot of times with balance issues and proprioception issues in therapy, just practicing standing, because a lot of times people get dizzy and they lose their balance and they don't know where they're at. If they close their eyes, they tend to tip or lean even when they're trying to walk. It's good to have something sturdy nearby to grab onto. You could do things such as what they do in therapy sessions is just trying to balance on one leg for about 30 seconds at a time, and again, hang on to something because you could lose your balance. And once you get those down, you can go back and forth for some slow movements to get the sensation, and it really does. This is only the second time I've been on this, and I notice a lot more. I'm also starting to have problems with autoimmune disorders and joint problems, so this really could benefit people suffering from the same. Walking on hard surfaces can be rough on your joints, as well as peripheral neuropathy. And this just helps because it hugs your foot completely, and the sensations, it just goes through. So I'm almost feeling like a little overwhelmed just from doing it myself right now, but I do notice a difference. And there's been remarkable progress with people regaining their balance and their ability to walk better, straighter without tipping. And you could do slow movements, you could do quicker movements. You could do this several times through the day, about 4 times a day. This is great if this really works your body great. And then you can even do, in the fitness industry, it really helps build your core muscles as well, because you could just feel the movements of your body moving, and you can move down into squat positions and push up. And I really do notice the big difference. And I will continue use with this, and I'm going to look into doing another quick recording session with this, and possibly placing this piece into an upcoming book to help with therapy. And I know it's the first time I was on this when I got off. I was a little dizzy, a little disoriented, only because of my sensations and how I relate to the world. Like I said, it's been 3.5 years, so my body's kind of in tune to where it is and where it isn't. But this is a great piece of equipment and a great tool to help with therapy. And it's very low impact, so it's easy on the knees, easy on your heels, your Achilles tendon, everything. And you could really pick up the sensation that goes through the whole arch of your foot. And it just sends those signals to the brain to help you know where you are at. And again, I'd like to say thank you to Matt Dahl for this, and I wish him much success. I'm going to step off just to see how, if I'm a little off again, a little bit, but I'll have to keep practicing and rebuild those connections, because once your body starts to incorporate something new into the environment to recover, it does take time. Remember to safety first, always have something close by. And I can notice a big difference in my balance and how I'm perceiving everything. It just really engages your brain, the feedback. So this is a great tool. And it comes with a handy travel bag, so you can take it anywhere, very portable. Thank you for your time.